Here's the snow.
Welcome to the winter wonderland.
I don't know if you can see, but it's really coming down.
Snow. Point it that way.
I will. I'm going to do a swivel.
A pan. Could you put the...
I will. Go ask Mommy right now.
Mommy, could you put the...
Here's our street. Cars are all covered. Snow has been plowed a couple times, but it's a wreck out there.
Yeah, shove your hand all the way in.
See the church on the corner. Snow is just piling up on that roof.
Shove it in. Shove it in.
I'm digging.
Shove it in. Dig your hand in. Dig.
You can barely see. Snow is just coming down. There we are, back at the beginning.
I'll get it.
Here's our fence, which is probably about 3 feet high, and the snow out front is piled up higher.
Oh, Zoe, get under that snow. Zoe.
Here's Amaya. I just shoveled the snow on the sidewalk. You can see there's already about a ½ inch covering it. Good job, Amaya. She's picking up the snow from one side of the sidewalk and dumping it on the other. Not particularly helpful, but good job, sweetie.